and welcome to our course, Organizational Best Practices for AI. I'm Jason Price, a nationally recognized technology trainer and AI specialist with over 25 years of experience empowering people to master Microsoft, Yahoo, and Google apps. I'm passionate about making AI practical and accessible, and I look forward to helping you turn emerging technologies into real business-ready solutions for your organization. This course is designed for senior leadership, IT professionals, and project managers who are interested in implementing an effective organizational approach to AI that generates buy-in from all employees. We'll start by listing the benefits of implementing AI and recognizing that AI presents new barriers that companies must overcome to realize the benefit. In the next several lessons, we'll identify common challenges faced by organizations during AI implementations and discuss appropriate resolution options for each barrier. Then we'll list the consequences to an organization of not adopting AI. In the next lesson, we'll name the factors that obstruct human integration with AI, identify 4 factors for reducing resistance, and list principles of responsible AI and human-centered design. Then we'll review and discuss our top 10 solutions and finish by giving you a chance to apply what you've learned to real-world scenarios. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will be able to identify barriers to adopting AI, tactics to overcome those barriers, and best practices for effectively implementing AI in your organization.